Welcome to our video on an effective kitchen operation manual for boosting employee productivity. As a restaurant owner, kitchen manager, or chef, you know that the success of your kitchen operation depends heavily on the productivity of your employees. And one of the most effective ways to enhance employee productivity is by providing them with a clear, concise, and comprehensive operation manual. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of implementing an effective kitchen operation manual that will empower your employees to work more efficiently and effectively. So whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting out in the food service industry, we're confident that this video will provide you with valuable insights and actionable tips that you can implement in your kitchen right away. So, without further ado, let's dive in and explore an effective kitchen operation manual for boosting employee productivity. Department: Food and Beverage. Section: Kitchen. Subject: Employee Productivity. Standard Code: Comp 02. Standard: To ensure that sous chef is maximizing employee productivity to minimize payroll costs. Procedures: 1. The executive chef is responsible for recruiting and placing sufficient qualified staff. 2. A properly trained employee is motivated and will take care of his or her kitchen as if it is his or her own, through proper food product handling training. 3. Proper supervision of food handling, preparation and storage is very important. 4. Every member of staff will understand the responsibilities towards guests, owners and management in regards of service quality and financial profitability. 5. Every staff member is committed to exceed customers' expectations in all his or her doing. 6. The quality of food, the authenticity of the recipes and the presentation will set unique standards. And there you have it, we've covered the key components of an effective kitchen operation manual for boosting employee productivity. By clearly outlining job responsibilities and standard operating procedures, you can empower your employees to work smarter, not harder. Remember, an effective operation manual is a living document that should be regularly updated and maintained. By keeping it current and relevant, you can ensure that your kitchen operation runs smoothly and efficiently. We hope that you found this video informative and helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them in the comment section below. And if you found this video valuable, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more content like this. You can get the link to download the SOP file in the description below. You can edit to adjust the detail if necessary. Hopefully this video is useful for you. Thank you for watching, and we wish you all the best in your efforts to create an effective kitchen operation manual that boosts employee productivity. Greetings from the hospitality world.